Hey y'all, I'm Rusty. I'm a coach here at the Wichita Falls Athletic Club. Today we're going to go over some deadlift tips, okay? With the deadlift, the limiting factor can be your grip, and the whole point of the deadlift is to get your back and your legs strong. So we're going to show you what you need to do whenever your grip does become a limiting factor. So when you're starting out on deadlift, the best thing to do is go overhand on both hands. Take your grip, both overhand, and squeeze the bar, set your back, and pull. That will eventually become a limiting factor because the weight will get too heavy for your grip. So you can do one of two things. You can either alternate your grip, which will prevent the bar from rolling out of your hands, or you can do hook grip. Alternated grip is going to be the exact same thing. However, on your dominant hand, you're going to flip it like so. And then squeeze the bar like normal and pull. Now, if you are a serious lifter, you're going to want to do hook grip. Hook grip will give you a lot of cool points, all right? So with hook grip, you're going to take your hands, grab double over, but instead of grabbing your thumb around your forefingers, you're going to squeeze your thumb with your middle and your index finger like so. Now this will be uncomfortable, but you will get used to it. With the hook grip, whenever your thumb is loaded, the friction that's rolling into your thumb will prevent the bar from actually rolling out of your hand. So the bar needs to be loaded for you to actually feel the tightness of the hook grip. One thing that will help either your double overhand, your alternating grip, or your hook grip will be chalk. Chalk is very essential to getting your hands dry and creating more friction with your fingers so you can hold the bar tighter. If hook grip becomes too much, if it's just too painful and you just don't like it and you don't want to do alternating grip, you can always use straps. Especially the older population, they'll have a harder time holding onto the bar. Straps are a good option. Again, we want to use our grip to assist us in the deadlift. However, we don't want the grip to become the limiting factor. So if it becomes between not doing deadlift or doing deadlift with straps, you're going to want to use straps on those. If straps tend to be the way you want to go, this is how you're going to put them on. You're going to use your dominant hand to assist your non-dominant hand in actually wrapping. So you're going to lay them over your wrist like so. The inside of the strap faces out and sandwich them like so. You're going to grab them with your thumb and your forefinger, reach around, lay it over once, leave it tight enough to where it's got a little bit of tension, but not so tight you can't move it because you might have to adjust your grip. Now, with your other hand, what you're going to do is pin the strap with your shin, reach through, grab the strap, pull all the way through, get it tight enough, and then give it one good motorcycle pull. Now I'm pretty tight, I can still move them around. I will set my grip. So, now, this is important. Just because you have straps on doesn't mean you can have a soft grip. You still want to squeeze the crap out of the bar whenever you pull. So squeeze the bar, set your back, big breath, drag up, set down, then you're good to go. All right, so to wrap it up, do double overhand for as long as you can. That will get your grip nice and strong. When you can't double overhand, go to hook grip. Hook grip is too much, you can alternate. And again, if alternating just doesn't work for you, you can go to straps as a last option.